happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. The doctor will tell you what is good for you. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. And if you're feeling poorly, just remember this tune. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. 'Cause the doctor and nurse, well, they know what to do.
They do.
They'll always take good care of you. So be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. The doctor will tell you what is good for you. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Hello, my name's Dr Ranj. Welcome to my surgery. Are you well? Ah, good. Someone's not feeling well. I wonder who my next patient is. Who's come to visit me? Who will it be? Can you guess which friend it is? Let's see. It's Riz.
The world's so full of what and why. I really have to know. How does it work and what is this? And where does that thing go? So much to know. So much to learn and do. When I find out something new, I want to shout. Woo-hoo! So much to know. So much to learn and do. When I find out something new, I want to shout. Woo-hoo!
Come on in, Riz.
Hello, Dr. Ranj.
Hello, Riz. What can I do to help?
Look at this.
Your tooth's fallen out.
It didn't fall out. It was knocked out.
Oh no, how did that happen?
Well, there's a huge hill at the back of my house, and I was riding my scooter down it fast. Because it feels like flying, doesn't it? Wow, meow, whoa.
I love doing that too.
Then, before I could say puddles, there was a rabbit right in front of me, and I had to swerve like this. I missed the rabbit, but I hit a bump. The bike stopped, but I didn't. It all happened really slowly, like this. Whee! Whoa! Oh no!
Oh no, then what happened?
For a second, I just sat there. But then there was a funny taste in my mouth, and my tongue felt that there was nothing where my tooth should be. I spat in my hand, and there was lots of blood. And right in the middle, there was my tooth.
That sounds like a nasty accident. Let's take a look at your head to make sure there's no bumps and bruises. Did you bang your head or feel dizzy?
No, it was just my mouth.
Good, you haven't cut your lip and your head seems fine. Can I have another look at your tooth?
Sure.
You're lucky, Riz. It's just a baby tooth. Nothing too much to worry about.
Lucky? I'm not lucky. I have a gap in my mouth forever, and I'll talk funny. I can't say sheep properly.
I'm sorry?
Sheep, you know, like bar black sheep.
Oh, sheep.
I won't even try the rest of the rhyme. Impossible. See, I'm not lucky.
Sorry, Riz. I meant that you're lucky you lost a baby tooth and not an adult tooth.
What do you mean? I'm not a baby.
Of course you're not. And I'll show you what I mean. Most children will have grown their first set of teeth by the time they're 3 years old. These are your baby teeth.
OK, so they're the teeth I've got now?
Yes, when you get to around 5 or 6 years old, your baby teeth fall out one by one.
Ha ha! They're gappy like me. Why do teeth fall out?
Because they're being pushed out of the way by bigger teeth growing behind them. This second set of teeth is called your adult teeth.
Puddles! I get a new set of teeth. That's fantastic! Will they fall out too?
Nope, you only get 2 sets of teeth. Once you've got all your adult teeth, you won't get any more. They have to last you your whole life, but only if you look after them.
How do you look after your teeth, Dr Ranj?
That sounds like a great question for Nurse Morag and our Healthy Helpers. Hello, Nurse Morag.
Hello, Dr Ranj. Hello, Riz. How are you?
I've lost a tooth, but I'd like to ask you, how do you look after your teeth?
Good question. I'll get my healthy helpers.
Catch that ball, yeah, it's your goal. Give me questions, catching through. Healthy helpers will show and tell how you can keep fit and well. Catch that ball, yeah, it's your goal. Give me questions, catching through. Healthy helpers will show and tell how you can keep fit and well. Ask me what you need to know. Catch that ball, yeah, it's your goal. Give me questions, catching through. Healthy helpers will show and tell how you can keep fit and well. Ask me what you need to know. Give me questions, catch and throw.
Today I'm in London and my healthy helpers are...
Hello, my name is Walker and I like stroking my cat Indy. Hello, my name is Alexander and I like seeing my grandparents. Hello, my name's Frankie and I like holding my baby sister. My name's Fozzie and I like pizzas.
Right, who here likes apples?
Me.
Fazia, do you not like apples? No, not at all? Well, we're going to try something. We're going to try and eat the apple, but there's a condition. You're not allowed to use your teeth, which means you have to get on. You've got no teeth like that. Can you do that? Right, let's try. You ready? It's too hard, isn't it? Will we try it with our teeth this time?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it works.
That's much easier, isn't it? And that's because our teeth are really, really strong and they're excellent for cutting and chewing food. This is delicious, isn't it? What do you think we need to do to our teeth to keep them nice and strong and healthy?
Wash them at the morning and night.
Well done, Fazia. That's right. We have to brush our teeth every morning and every night to keep them clean. After we finish eating, tiny pieces of food stay in our mouth. And sometimes they might be so small that we can't even see them. But they're there. And then along come the germs that live in our mouth called bacteria. And they stick to the food. And it's really bad for our teeth. And tell me, healthy helpers, what do we do to clean our teeth?
Brush our teeth.
That's right, we brush our teeth. Right, healthy helpers, who can tell me what happens when you lose a tooth? Yes, Rocco?
You put it on your pillow at night time. Then the tooth fairy comes.
And what does the tooth fairy do?
Take the tooth out and put a coin under your pillow.
Wow. And then after that, what happens in the gap that's left?
A new tooth, an adult tooth.
That's perfect, an adult tooth. So all the baby teeth fall out and then you get a whole new set of adult teeth. So who here, healthy helpers, wants to play a game all about brushing your teeth?
Me!
Come on then, let's go, quick. Okay guys, we've arrived. Let's get off.
Stop it.
Yep, good driving.
Round the yellow bucket.
Okay guys, now look what we have here. We have some really, really dirty teeth. And I am going to put on some of the bacteria because the teeth are covered in all the food. So this is like the bacteria we were talking about, which are the germs in your mouth. Wow, these teeth are filthy. What do you think we need to do now?
Clean them.
Exactly. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Then go. Very good, guys. Now make sure you get all that food off because that's where the bacteria likes to stick to and we know that's not good for our teeth. That's it, get all the bacteria, but don't brush too hard. Remember, do it gently, you don't want to hurt your gums. Wow, great brushing, guys. Right, pop your brushes back in the bucket. Wow, those teeth look gleaming white. Healthy and strong. And that's why, Riz, it's important to brush your teeth and look after them. So get brushing.
Bye, Nurse Morag.
Bye, thank you.
OK, Riz, let's look at how you brush your teeth. Now, get your toothbrush, make sure it's got soft bristles,
Got it.
and you need some toothpaste.
Can I have lots, please?
No, you only need a small blob the size of a pea. Ready?
Ready.
Copy me. Round and round. Front to back. Top. Bottom. And inside.
Round and round, front to back, top, bottom, and inside.
And spit so you don't swallow any toothpaste. And finally, rinse. Done.
Done.
Squeaky clean teeth.
Well, Dr Ranj, ever since I've fallen off my bike, I can't say my S's properly. Just listen.
My mouth was feeling gummy, so I went and told my mummy. Then she took a look inside. She finished looking in, she gave a little grin. This is what she replied. Give a great big happy gappy smile.
Yeah.
You'll just have your gap for a while.
Not for long.
Give a great big happy gappy smile. No need to cry or shout when your tooth drops out.
Oh, I don't need to worry then.
I didn't understand why my tooth was in my hand. What was I supposed to do? They're just your baby teeth, she said, and underneath your big new teeth are coming through.
Hooray!
Give a great big happy gappy smile. You'll just have your gap for a while. Give a great big happy gappy smile. No need to cry or shout when your tooth drops out. Give a great big happy gappy smile. Give a great big happy smile. Give a great big happy gappy smile.
Yeah! Okay, Dr Ranj. Bye!
Hang on, before you go, I want to talk to you about dentists. Do you have one?
I don't know.
Dentists know everything about teeth and looking after them. It's their job to check your teeth are healthy. You should see one every 6 months. I'll have a word with your dad about it.
Dentist. Got it. Thanks, Doctor. Bye.
And you promise to brush your teeth twice a day?
I promise. Bye.
And don't forget your Get Well Soon badge.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Dr Ranj. Bye.
Bye, Riz. And you look after your teeth too, won't you? I'll see you next time. Till then, be happy, be healthy. If you're not feeling well, it's always best to go and see your own doctor. And get well soon.